Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a power board on a Leader 120. Nice.
And now it's time for Incredible Findings with your host, Mike Lawson.
Hey everybody, boy have we got a show for you today. We're going to be introducing a brand new product never before seen on TV. They wouldn't even let me see it, those bums. Well, I don't know about you, but the suspense is killing me. So let's bring out your friend and mine, Tony Bright. Okay, Tony, you got me so excited I couldn't sleep a wink last night. If I don't see this brand new product of yours pretty soon, I'm gonna bust.
Too right, Mike. We're here to talk about the NewBeeDrone Nitro Nectar battery. That's right, guys. So, in all the NewBeeDrone stuff we got these Nitro Nectars to test out. So we're gonna test these and add them to our 1S battery shootout. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and take a look over here, and there'll be a link to that to see the rest of them. Our current leader is the AKK battery, but we're going to try out one of these Nitro Nectars. We're going to put them through the standard testing that we do. If you see the other video, you'll see I'm going to run the pack down 5 times in beta fight using the motor controller at 50%, because in my testing I've found that equals out pretty much to how I fly. Now everybody flies different, so you're going to get different results to the weight of your craft or the way you fly. But apples being apples, that's what we're looking at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this guy down, and we'll do the typical thing. I'll show you the last minute of the run, so you can, of the best run. I'll record all of them, but I'll show you the best run, and we'll see how this battery compares to the rest of them. So off to the bench. Alright guys, so here's our brand new battery right out of this package right here. Let's plug it in and see what our shipping voltage is. So, alright, we're in. It's looking at the USB port. It's looking at channel 1. And we're at 3.89. Your storage voltage on an HV battery is 3.8. Remember, this is an HV. So that's not too far off, and likely not far off at all. Let's see what a full capacity battery looks like, and we can see how far off my little charger is here. So see you in a second when the battery's full. Okay gang, so we're fully charged here. Let's take a look at what it comes around to when we get to channel 1. And it's 437. So as I mentioned, it does go a little bit higher than the 435. If we take that away, they came in the 3.8 storage, which is awesome. So let's move on now and run the sucker down 5 times on our testing, and then we'll get a flight in and let you know with the final results. Here we are, locked into our highly technical testing bench. Eat your heart out there, Bardwell. Okay guys, now we're on to the part where I basically aimlessly ramble for a minute while we watch this counter tick down for the last minute of the best pack run of this battery. So NewBeeDrone sent me 2 batteries. They sent me this HV battery, and they also sent me a regular Nitro Nectar. Again, both of them at 250 mAh. Remember that. We're out there and we're looking at them against 260s. Kind of not very fair, but the performance puts them right up there with the 260s, I gotta tell you. Now, I didn't show the regular Nitro Nectar, the just standard non-HV version of it, but I tell you this, it performed equally as well. It actually ran for 4 minutes on just the standard battery and just a little less than this HV battery. So outstanding batteries just in a standard battery form too, if you're looking to save a little dough. And there's a lot of hype behind HV. It does matter a little bit in these whoops, but it's you're not going to see from 4 minutes to 5 minutes. So as you see here, 4 minutes and 3 seconds. That's the second best time. So great batteries, worth checking out. Look at the links below. Okay guys, this is the part where we take the battery after it's rested, we put it back on the charger, and we look and see what the bounce back is. So this battery is bouncing back to 3.61 after our cooldown, so it's getting very close to back up to storage. Most people have a tendency to burn their batteries down till the quad stops, which is way under storage, so nothing new here, but it's good to know where these guys end up once you drain them all the way down, because in some cases you want to bring it back up to that 3.8 before you put them away in storage. Okay guys, so I'm going to leave you off with a little bit of flight footage here. This is just for performance sake, so you can see how these batteries perform while flying around the yard. You've seen me fly around the yard plenty enough. You'll see my battery meter is jacked up. I'm going to figure out what that is. I'll put a tech tip in once I do. My bet is this is a beta flight version issue. I've seen things like that seem to come with beta flight versions, so I'll do an upgrade and see if that fixes it. But check out the links below. Check out NewBeeDrone. Take a look at these products that they have and they sell. They sell a ton of stuff. As you can see, these batteries are performing great through the normal little runs that I do through here. And once again, subscribe to the channel. Like the videos. If I didn't mention it, subscribe to the channel. You might want to click the bell. We've got huge giveaways coming up for Black Friday. I'd want to know about it if I was you. Anyways, guys, happy flying. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe and happy flying.